Alright guys, we are back day 2. We've got some old Spiders, got some of the grills, got a stack of Wagners, all the old collectible stuff still here. Brought a waffle iron, got some Scotch bowls left, then an assortment of other stuff, some fryers, a whole bunch of raised number skillets, able skewer squares. Got some toys down here. Got some mess right there. And then over here we've got our baking stuff. Scroll on down. And we got some Dutch ovens and a teapot and some BSR 5s. And we got some grill pans. And we've got a whole bunch of size 8 to size 7, just different assorted brands. We've got some fryers. Then we run into basically the lodge table. It's got all of the decorative stuff, all of the different skillets, going from the smallest to the largest. Then down here we got some little imports, and then we got a cool little Liberty grill and a Texas jalapeno pan.